Consumers seek and expect products tuned to their personal needs and preference. Consumer goods manufacturers and brand owners must be able to react faster to market opportunities. Specifically, they need to segment and differentiate their products to serve market micro-niches. They seek agility via digital printing. Welcome to the world of Atlantic Sizer. We are headquartered in Germany and have been part of the Croatia Group since 2018. Croatia is a global group of companies focused on industrialized packaging solutions, headquartered in Bologna, Italy. We are a preferred partner for inline digital printing solutions with a global service operation. Consumer goods product packaging currently faces unprecedented challenges relating to marketing, the supply chain, and the environment. Our customers are seeking to increase their speed to market and constantly striving to address micro-target groups more effectively. A critical goal is to localize, personalize, and customize packaging for mass market products at the latest possible stage in the packaging process. This increases production complexity. The production challenge is therefore to produce increased numbers of short runs efficiently, while simplifying the packaging supply chain and reduce waste wherever possible. Our late-stage customization solutions are specifically designed to be flexible and enable our customers to start small, learn quickly, and scale fast. With this in mind, we have developed the DIGILINE Versa Inline Pro. It is an innovative digital inline color printing system for flat objects or erected and filled folding boxes. It was developed specifically as an add-in to existing conventional packaging lines. The system reproduces crisp, full-color details on a wide range of substrates and enables consistent brand presentation, even during late-stage customization. The razor-sharp print image supports small fonts or complex barcode symbologies for reliable serialization marking, supporting effective anti-diversion measures. The Omega Pro high-speed color printer uses innovative on-the-fly RIP technology, thus reducing job changeover times and enabling single-piece flow. Atlantic Sizer have also eliminated the time-consuming setup of the control camera by using a powerful contour matching technique and smart binarization process, thus complementing the high levels of uptime offered by the printing system. With high levels of reliability, high availability with virtually no changeover time, and consistent print quality and inspection rates producing high yield rates, the system is designed for high levels of operational equipment effectiveness. This was a typical request from a customer for inline late-stage packaging printing. For this, we used a 4-color DoD printing system with UV curing, and of course, our own in-house developed inks. Customizing and matching the ink to the substrate is a critical success factor for every project. Here, Tritron, a sister company of Atlantic Sizer, plays a major role. Tritron has been specializing for many years in developing inks for specific applications, consistently producing them to high standards of repeatable performance. The UV inks used by Atlantic Siza are highly resistant to abrasion, light, and alcohol-based solvents, and particularly suitable for printing on carton and rigid plastics. A growth application for Atlantic Siza is the direct or labelless printing on rigid plastics. The discipline of direct printing on rigid plastics supports full-color printing and marking and coating applications. For carton boxes and rigid plastic packaging, DIGILINE Versa Inline Pro enables increased flexibility, reduced complexity, and increased agility in your existing packaging line. Atlantic Siza is your partner for successful late-stage customization applications.